Hi guys, this is going to be the instruction for your period investigation lab. So it's going to have two parts, like two main parts. In the first one, you're going to be going to the masses and the spring basics. So at home, that's where you're going to go, and then you're going to click on the lab, and then you're going to see this screen. So you are going to start with this system with nothing. So you are expected to add this 100 grams. So once you add it, it starts to actually swing. So this is the button that you need to click on, and it's going to and then I also ask you to click on this. So this is going to tell you the equilibrium location. And then I also ask you to click on this button because once this is on, then anything like anytime that you move, it's going to start to move. So you always need to do that. So if you click on this though, it is going to stop. So I also ask you to take out the timer and the ruler from the box. So now if you click on this, it is not going to actually start because your motion of the screen is paused. So once you click on this, it is actually going to start the time and it will also start to oscillate. So after that, you will be able to count for the 10 oscillation and then you'll be able to stop the time and then you that's how you're going to be measuring the time for 10 cycle for mass and spring systems. And one other important thing, so how are you going to know the length for the amplitude side? So you're going to put this guy right here, and as you can see, this line, this green line, is on this hook. So there is like really short length right here. So that means your centimeters, whatever the amplitude that you set, you are trying to put this guy, make sure that it is stopped and paused. So whatever you're stretching it, so you need to make sure that this meter stick is touching right here. So let's say if you're trying to set it to 30 centimeters, so you bring it right here. So now this is 30 centimeters. Then you can pause this guy. And once you start, of course, you need to hit play, then that would play. All right. So that's how you're going to be using this mass and spring basics. If you go to the pendulum, it is kind of similar, but this one is going to be easier because here you need to measure the time for 10 cycles. However, they have a period timer for this simulation, so you don't need to worry about the time part. So it is going to give you the initial conditions. So you're going to start with 1 meters and 1.5 kilogram. So again, you need to start with this guy being paused and set the angle that is given. I think that was 15 degrees for the first part. And then you also click on this and once you start, it is going to calculate the period for any cycle that you have. And you can change it, you can restart it, it is going to be measuring that again. So this is going to be comparatively easier to the other one, but that's how you're going to be using those two simulations. Thank you.